Hey, good morning, everyone, and happy Friday, March 26th at 10:50 a.m. I hope you all are doing well. This week has just been crazy for me, trying to help out my grandmother and whatnot. But first, I want to say sorry for not having a Friday video for you. Life happened and I just didn't get to film like I wanted to. So we had some really high winds last night, like 60-mile-an-hour winds, and it's still kind of windy out right now, but it's not as bad as what it was. But today, I'm going to be going out to pick up some stuff from the library and do a couple other errands that I need to get done. And I also need to look at new furniture for my living room. I haven't had to buy new furniture in several years because I typically try to make sure the stuff is taken care of, but it's time to retire it and get some new stuff in here. So we'll see what today brings and how it all pans out. So I'll see you here in a little bit and hope you will follow along. Hello, it's 1 p.m. and I'm in the car. We are now heading to, well, we just left from getting me a pop. They didn't have Dr. Pepper, but they had cherry Pepsi, so that's what I'm having. And now we're heading to the library to get my items that I requested. And then from there, I think I'm gonna go ride with him while he gets his haircut. And then, yeah, I'll see what happens. The weather outside right now, really nice out. It's a little breezy when you're not in the sun, but otherwise it's pretty nice. So I'll take it. These clouds are just huge. They seriously look like they could just fall right from the sky. Alright. Picked up my stuff from the library. Now, I'm on my way to visit somebody while my friend here, / driver, goes and gets his haircut. So then when he's done with that, he'll come back and just get me. So, yeah. I got a couple movies from the library. I don't usually get movies from the library, but I thought, hey, why not? For a minute, it looked like it was going to rain when we were at the library, but now it's all sunny. Look, y'all, my driver really needs a trim. Looks like I don't know. He's getting rid of it. Getting rid of it all. Me and his girlfriend both tell him, get rid of this stuff. It looks horrible. But, alright, I'm getting to my next destination. So I'll see you in a minute. I won't be able to film in here, I don't think. So. Here I am a long way up. And I love the view out this window. Like the clouds, the land, even the traffic looks nice with all the land behind it. I guess when I was younger, I never really appreciated nature very much, but more recently, I have an appreciation for it. Hello again. It is 3:55 p.m. and I am finished doing what I was doing when my buddy dropped me off, and he got his hair cut. Beard, he looks weird, but looks a lot better than what it did when he had all that stuff on. Now, well, I should say, my wheelchair is in big trouble again. It needs a mechanic ASAP. My right arm rest is completely loose. Like, it's literally, I think, hanging on by a thread. Because, like, I grabbed a hold of it to transfer into the chair, and it, like, literally darn near came out. It's just literally holding on. So, we were looking for a bike shop when we got a text or a phone call. His girlfriend here ran out of gas. So now, we're going to go rescue her.
I think that's kind of funny because I got a full tank gas.
And so now we're off to rescue her. But hopefully I can get my armrest tightened up. I have an appointment next Friday. No, it got moved.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, we moved it to next Friday. When I realized how critical it was. Because I don't think it's just the armrest. I think some frame stuff is loose. So, next Friday. Next Friday, I'll go get it fixed, but I gotta get a temporary fix in the meantime. I have a backup chair that I can use. The problem is the backup chair, it's not equipped to hold the motor that I use so I can have power behind me. So we'll see. But for now, we on the freeway. 4:26 p.m. and we have rescued his girlfriend, put some gas in the car, and then followed them up to the gas station to make sure they got more gas. Shout out to the Columbus police officer that was pulled up behind them because they were in a bad spot. So whoever was in CPD car 9080, thank you for that. And we are headed back to my house now because I'm gonna switch out wheelchairs until I can get mine fixed. So it is 5:20 p.m. and I'm back home. But I really want to give a shout out to Franklinton Cycle Works. They were able to get my wheelchair taken care of so that I could use it until my next appointment. Now, Franklinton Cycle Works is a bicycle shop, but again, they were able to help out on the fly, so I appreciate that. And I'll still have my appointment with my wheelchair clinic next Friday. But for now, I'm good to go. Thank you, Franklinton Cycle Works. You guys are the best. And in the meantime, now that I'm home, I'm going to eat some dinner and chill out for the night. And tomorrow, I will probably go furniture shopping. So, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care, stay healthy, and God bless. With